morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 numbers in that exercise 1.5 and our topic is cubes and cube numbers. Yes, let us move to our topic now.
A cube number is the product of three numbers that are the same. If you multiply a number by itself and then you you get a cube number. You can picture them just like a 3D cube that's made up of lots of tiny single cubes. And when we write it down, we add a little 3 next to the number we want to cube, like this you see. We're cube numbers, we're cube numbers, we're cube numbers. 1 cubed is 1, and 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27, and 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125, and 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343, and 8 cubed is 512. 9 cubed is 729, and 10 cubed is 1000. Cube numbers, we're 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 cube numbers.
To start our exercise, let us know what is cube numbers and what is cube roots. So here cube numbers, before going to learn what is cube numbers, first let us know what is meant by cube. Cube is nothing but when you are multiplying anything 3 times, that is called cube. For example, if you take a number 1, so if you multiply it 3 times, so 1 into 1 into 1. So this can be written in the form 1 cube. So this is called cube. When a number multiplied 3 times is called cube, and which are the numbers is coming under that category, that is called cube numbers. For example, 1 cube value is 1. Then you can say 2 into 2 into 2. It can be written in the form 2 cube. The value of 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written in the form 3 cube. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4, 64. So this can be written in the form 4 cube. The value of 4 cube is 64. Then 5 into 5 into 5. So this can be written in the form 5 power 3. It's equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So you can see here we have found the value of the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Like this we will have the numbers, it will go on. So these numbers, so after you are finding the value of 1 cube, what is the value? 1. So these 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So it will go on. So these numbers are called cube numbers. Here we are going to find out the cube root for the perfect cube number 8. So this is the symbol for the cube root. And now this can be written in the form cube root of this 8 can be written 2 power 3. So now 2 power 3, the value of this cube root is 1 by 3. So now we can cancel this 3 and 3. So we'll get the answer as 2. So this is the cube root of 8. So 2 is the cube root of 8. So this is called cube root. We are going to solve the exercise sum. So third question, show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. Already you know what is meant by perfect cube. So here we are going to use a prime factorization method to show this number is not a perfect cube. So you know what is meant by prime factorization method. You have learned that already in the exercise 1.4. So 1944. So let me take the prime number 2. 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, balance 1, 2 8s are 16, balance 1, 2 6s are 12. Again I can take 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now it cannot be divided using 2 table. Now I am moving with the prime number 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Then 3 table, 3 2s are 6, balance is 2, 3 7s are 21. Then again I can use 3 table, 3 9s are 27. Then again I can go ahead with the 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Last 3 1s are 3. Now we have written the what are the prime factors we have got for this 1944. So you can see here 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 we got 3 times and 3 we got 5 times. So I have written here and we are making a triplets. Triplets is nothing but a number with the power 3, that is called a triplet. 2 into 2 into 2 we can write it as 2 to the power 3, and this 3 into 3 into 3 we can write it as 3 to the power 3, and this one last 3 into 3 we can write it as 3 square. So you can check here we have got only 2 triplets. So we need one more triplet. But if we multiply 3 only, we will get that. So we can say this 1944 is not a perfect cube. Now we are moving to the fourth question. Find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So this is our question. So we are going to find out the solution using prime factorization method. So what is our given number? 10,985. So using the prime number 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, balance 4, 5 9s are 45, balance 3, so 5 7s are 35. Then using 13 table, if I divide this, I'll get 169. Then again using 13 table, 13 13s are 169, again 13 one time. Let us write the prime factors whatever we got for this 10,985. So I have written here what are the prime factors we have got for this 10,985. So here 5 into 13 into 13 into 13. So 5 into this 13 can be written in the form of triplet. So already I said triplet is nothing but a number with the power 3. So here getting a triplet using only 13, but 5 is left over. So you can see here we have a triplet of 13 and we are left over with the 5. So here if we divide 10,985 by 5, we will get a perfect cube. So the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided is 5. So the required number is, we have a fifth question. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So you know 200 is not a perfect cube. So we have to find out what can be the number to be multiplied with 200 so that it will become a perfect cube. So first let us do the prime factorization. So our number is 200. So using 2 table, 100 times 200. Then again using 2 table, 250 times 100, then again 2 table 225 times. Then this 25 can be divided using 5 tables. So 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 ones are 5. So let me write this. 200 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So let us make the triplets. So already you know what is meant by triplet. So 2 to the power 3. And this last 5 into 5. This we cannot make it a triplet because we need one more 5. So what I am going to do here is I am going to multiply both the sides with 5 so that it will become a triplet. So you can see left hand side I have multiplied with 5, that is 200 into 5, and right hand side I am going to multiply with 5 so that I will get now 2 to the power 3, then 5 to the power 3. So you can check here 200 into 5, now we will get 1000. So right hand side we can write as such 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. So this 1000 is a perfect cube. Therefore 5 is the required smallest number. To be multiplied with 200 to get a perfect cube. Here we have the sixth question. Find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. We are going to use the prime factorization method. So let us find the solution for this. First 24. So using 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Then take 36. Using 2 table, 2 18s are 36, again 2 table, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So now 80 using 2 table, 240 times is 80, then 220 times, then 210 times, then 25 times, then 5 ones are, take up 25, using 5 table, 5 5s are 25, then 5 ones are 5. Now let us write what are the prime factors we have got for all this 24, 36, 80 and 25 together. So 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to, for 24 what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then for 36 what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. For 80 what are the prime factors we have? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So for 25 what are the prime factors we have? 5 into 5. Now we are going to make a triplets. So first combine this one. So I will get 2 to the power 3. Then here I have 1 3 and here I have 2 times of 3. So I can make a triplet. So I will get now 3 to the power 3. Then into, here we have 2 times of 2 and here we have 1 we can take, so that it will become a triplet. So I can take it as a 2 power 3 into. So here we have 2 as 3 times. So we can write 2 power 3. Then this 5 we have 3 times. So we can write it 5 power 3. Now we are going to find out the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. So cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to cube root of, I can write here 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 the whole cube. So each and every prime factor here as the power 3. So I have written here together. Now I can cancel this cube and the cube root. So I will be getting the value. What are the things inside the bracket? So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. So when I multiply this, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 5 is 120. Therefore, the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to 120. To the seventh sum, find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. So first let us write the question 729. So I can use the prime number 3. So 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, 3 4s are 12, then 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again using 3 table, 3 27 times 81. Again 3 table, 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So we are going to find out the cube root separately. So for this 729, what is the cube root? So cube root of 729 is equal to cube root of, so you can make a triplet here itself. So here 3 power 3 into here also 3 power 3. So this can be written in the form cube root of 3 into 3 in the whole cube. So each and every prime factor has the power 3. So we can write it as a common power 3. So now this cube and the cube root gets cancelled. So what is our final value? 3 into 3. So if you multiply this, you will get the value as 9. So 9 is the value for the cube root of 729. Next, we are moving to the 6859. So using the prime number 19, we can divide this. So if you divide and check, you will get the value 361. Again this 361 will go only in 19 table. So 19 times 361. Then again 19 ones are 19. Now take a cube root of this 6859. So if you take a cube root of 6859, you can write it as cube root of this 19 power 3. So we can make it as a triplet. So 19 has come 3 times. So we can write here 19 power 3. So now this cube and cube root gets cancelled. You can write your final answer as 19. So the cube root of 6859 is 19. Here we have the 8th question. What is the square root of cube root of 46,656? So first you should understand what is the question. So this question can be written in the form of square root of. So what is the square root of? So first put a square root. Then inside that square root they are asking cube root of 46,656. So we can write our question as square root of, then inside cube root of 46,656. So first we have to find the cube root of the given number. Then we will get an answer. For that we should find out the square root. Then we will get the final answer. So let us do the prime factorization. So 46,656. So using 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, again 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again using 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again using 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again using 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Again using 2 table, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, then balance 1, 2 9s are 18. Let me continue here. 729. Using 3 we can do. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 table, 3 27 times 81. Again 3 table, 3 9 times 27. So 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So now let us combine as a triplet. So first you can check here. So you can combine here itself. So we are making a triplets here. So you can write cube root of 46,656 is equal to cube root of, so here triplet of 2, again here triplet of 2, triplet of 3, then triplet of 3. So you can write here 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. So here we can write cube root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 the whole cube. So each and every prime factor has the power 3. So we can take it as a common. Now this cube and the cube root can be cancelled. So what we will get the value in the next step? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So this is the value for the cube root of 46,656. Now we need square root of this 36. How can we find out the square root of 36? So square root of 36 is equal to this 36, we can write it in the form of 6 square. So here it is square root. So 2 and the square root gets cancelled. So what is our value? 6. Here we have the 9th question. If the cube of a squared number is 729, find the square root of that number. First, we have to find out the cube root of 729. So, we have done already. So, using prime factorization, we are going to do this. So, 3 2s are 6, balance is 1. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So, 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again, 3 table, 327 times is 81 and 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. We are finding out the cube root of 729. So you can make a triplet. So 3 cube into 3 cube will come. So here cube root of 3 into 3 the whole power 3. So each and every prime factor has the power 3. So we can write it as a common. So cancel cube and the cube root. So you will get the value 3 into 3. So 3 3s are what? 9. So the root of 9 is equal to 3 square. It's equal to 3. Now we have to find out the square root for this number. So if you take a square of 3 only, you will get the value 9. If you take a cube of this 9 only, you will get the value of 729. So we have to find out the square root of this number 3. That's the question they asked us. Find the square root of that number. So what is the beginning number? What is the base number? That we have to find out the square root. So here I am going to find out the square root of 3 using a long division method. So after 3 I have kept a decimal point. So I can add up how many zeros I need. But here I have taken only 6 zeros. So that in my quotient after a decimal point I will be getting 3 digits. So first let us pair up the numbers from the last. So I have paired like this. So you can see very well. Now let's start doing the long division method. So 3 will not come in the square, perfect square number. So let us take the number less than 3. So what is the number less than 3? It is 1. So 1 square is 1. So we can take here. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So for the next step, what can be the divisor here? 1 plus 1, 2. Next, we can bring down this pair. So I will get 200. Here I have to keep a decimal point because after a decimal point, I have this pair. So I have to keep a decimal point in the quotient. Now let me place any number here. So let me try with 2, 7. So I have taken the next digit, that is after 2. What is the number I have taken? 7. So using the same 7 only I should multiply. So 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49, carry over 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So let me write this. So 27. 7 times 189. So subtract this. So if I subtract this, I'll get the value 11. So let me bring down the next pair for the next step. So I'll get 1100. So here for the next step, we have to add what number we have taken in the last digit. The same number should be added. So 27 plus 7, I'll get the value 34. So after 34, one number should be placed. So let me take 34. After this 34, I can take 3. So I have taken the last digit as 3. So let me multiply with the 3 itself. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Carry over 1. 3 3s are 9. 10. So I am getting 1029. So let me use here. So 343 into 3. I am getting the value 1029. So if I subtract this value, I'll get the number 71. Let me bring down the last pair here. So 7100. So for the next step, we need a divisor. So we can add up. What is the last digit we have taken? 3. So 3 we can add up. So if you add up 3 with this 343, you will get the value 346. After 346, I have taken a number 2. So I have to multiply with the same number. So 3462 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, carry over 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 3s are 6. I'll get the value 6924. So do the subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 9 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0. So I'll get the remainder 176. Here we have to write 2 because we have multiplied with 2 here. So our quotient is 1.732. So you can write the square root of 3 is equal to 1.732. So this is your final answer. Here we are going to find the solution for the 10th sum. Find the two smallest perfect square numbers which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. So you know what is meant by perfect square number. So we have to find out two perfect square number. When you multiply those two perfect square number, your answer will be a perfect cube. So you can see this I have written already. 1 square is 1, so you know this already. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So this 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, it's going on. So these numbers are called the perfect square numbers. And you know what are the perfect cube numbers? So 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 2, 16, 3, 43. So these numbers are called perfect cube numbers. So from this perfect square number, any two numbers if you multiply, you should get a perfect cube number. So that's what we are going to find out. So here we are considering 2 square and 4 square. What is the value of 2 square? 4. What is the value of 4 square? It is 16. Now I am going to multiply this. So 4 into 16, what is my value? 64. So I have considered 2 square, that is 4, and 4 square, that is 16. So these are the two numbers, two perfect square numbers. When we multiply, we will get a perfect cube number. So 64 is a perfect cube number. So here we can say, therefore 4 and 16 are the required perfect square numbers. So if you multiply these two numbers, we are getting 64, which is a perfect cube number.